Good Monday morning, everybody. Welcome to 2024. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Happy New Year, everybody. 2023 is over. Time to start 2024 and begin a new cruising season. But you know what? 2023, it's been a heck of a season. It really has. We've seen some ups in cruising. We've seen some downs in cruising. Cruising's up as far as passenger capacity, the number of people taking cruises, record-breaking years for cruise ports, record-breaking years sales from cruise lines. So when it comes to just cruising and people interested in this industry and being a part of the cruising world, those numbers are up. Yes. Way, way high. That's good news. That's good news. But not everything that's happened this year has been good. No. We've seen prices of cruising go way up compared to what it used to be. We've seen everything increase, from the price of the cruise, new taxes at ports, things on board cruise ships, services being reduced, prices going up. So we've had good, but we've also had bad. I'd like to say that as we go into 2024, we're going to see things get better price-wise, but honestly, probably not. God, I wish I had better news for the beginning of the year. But demand for cruising is still super high. And as long as the demand is high, with people willing to pay the prices the way they are right now, the cruise lines are not going to be reducing prices. Hopefully that won't affect too many people's ability to cruise over the next couple of years until, things get a little bit better. Hopefully things get a little bit better. Unfortunately, it is what it is, and we just gonna have to cruise on.
Ray likes to say.
Yeah, as our buddy Ray likes to say, you just gotta cruise on and do what you gotta do to keep cruising. But we just wanted to hop on here this morning and say Happy New Year to everybody out there. Hopefully you had a great 2023. Hopefully you've got lots of cruise stories from 2023 that you can just share in your memories. And hopefully you've got your cruises for 2024 booked and ready to go. We have 18 more days to be back out there on the high seas. I'm excited to get our first cruise of 2024 kicked off. Let us know in the comments below who all has cruises for 2024 ready to go. What is your countdown to your next cruise? Put it in the comments below. Let's see who goes first. I know we got people that are going out before us.
Yes.
We know we have people going out after us. We know we have people that are going on the cruise with us.
Yes.
But let's see who else out there is ready to cruise. If you have any great cruise stories from 2023, let us know. What do you think was the best thing that happened to cruising in 2023? And what are you looking forward to for 2024? All right, I hope everybody's enjoyed our quick New Year's Day cruise video. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. That way you can be a part of this cruising family for the entire 2024 cruising season.
Hope everybody out there has a blessed, safe, and happy new year.
And like always,
we'll see you out on the high seas.